Hi everyone, my name is Mahmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program which will make a count of each and every digit of a number. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see on the board, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter the number. Now let us suppose user has entered 123, then the program should show you the output as count is 3. Now to get this output, first you need to initialize a variable called count. Count is equals to 0. Okay, so our number is 123. So what we should do is we should go for individually accessing each and every digit of this number. Initially we need to go for targeting this 3. We need to access 3. So to separate 3, we need to find out the remainder. So I will find out the remainder. Remainder equals to num mod 10. So num is 123 mod 10 and we will get 3 as the remainder. Okay, so now we have accessed this 3. So immediately after that we need to increment count plus plus. Now count becomes 1. Earlier it was 0. Now since we have incremented it, that's why it becomes 1. Next we need to reduce this 123 to 12. So to does that, we need to divide number by 10. 123 by 10 and we will get 12 as an output. So again we need to do these 3 steps. We need to find out the remainder of 12. Okay, so how long we need to perform these 3 steps? Until the value 1 2 3 becomes 0. So we need to keep on repeating these steps using while until the value of num becomes greater than 0. Okay, initially the value of num was 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3 is greater than 0, condition becomes true, control comes inside the while loop where we are finding out the remainder, and we have got the remainder as 3, and immediately after that we are incrementing the value of count and count becomes 1. Then we are reducing 123 to 12 by dividing it by 10 and we will get 12. Now num gets changed to 12. Earlier it was 1 to 3. Then again control goes back to the while loop where we are checking with the new value of num, that is 12. 12 is greater than 0. Yes, condition becomes true. Control comes inside the while where we are finding out the remainder. 12 mod 10, we got 2 as a reminder. Immediately after that we are incrementing the count and count becomes 2. Then we are reducing 1 2 or 12 by 10, dividing 1 2 by 10 and we will get 1. Okay, again control goes back to while where we are checking 1. Now num gets changed to 1. 1 is greater than 0, condition becomes true. Control comes inside the while where we are finding out the remainder 1 mod 10 and we will get 1 itself as a reminder, and immediately after that we are incrementing the count and count becomes 3. Then next here, now num is 1, so 1 by 10 we will get 0.1. Now the value of num becomes 0. Control goes back to while where the value of num gets checked. 0 is greater than 0. No, the condition becomes false. That's why control will not come inside the while loop. Control comes out from the while loop to print the value of count, which is 3. Okay, so this is the logic behind finding out the count of each and every digit of a number. Now I will write down this program. I will first write the shebang statement, usr bin bash read -p enter. Then I will initialize count is equals to 0. Then I will start a while space open square bracket num is greater than 0, do find out the remainder dollar num mod 10, then count plus plus, next num is equals to dollar num by 10, done. Now at the end I will print echo count is dollar count. Okay, then at the end you will get an output as count is 3 for this input 1 to 3. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood the logic behind this program. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.